Okay. So before starting the statement problems, we are supposed to understand few rules which will help us in solving the problems easily. Okay. So we'll just go through few rules which is required for now because we will be solving problems for all the rules here. Almost all the rules we will be covering the problems. So so whichever rules are required as of now, only those rules I'll be discussing and we will solve that problem. And then again when I next class maybe we will come up with one more rule and then we will solve the problem, so that will help you understand every rule very clearly. Okay, so first see this second rule. Okay, the second one: in case of HCF, if some reminders are given, then firstly those reminders are subtracted from the numbers given and then their HCF is calculated. Now what they will do is, they will usually ask problems like, find the largest number, okay, find the largest number which subtracts, or sorry, which divides, they'll give three numbers and then they will say it will leave a remainder of 2 at the end. Okay, in such scenarios how do we solve the problem is, we will first subtract all that reminders from the numbers and then we will calculate HCF. Okay, to understand this better, let us solve one problem first and I will understand, using this problem I will help you to understand the rule. Okay, so let's read the question. Find the greatest number which can divide 284, 698, 1618, leaving the same remainder 8 in each case. Okay, so what they are trying to say here is, we have to find one greatest number. Okay, one greatest number which will divide 284, 698 and 1618. Now that number, when you divide with the three numbers given here, it is supposed to leave a remainder of 8 in each case. Okay, so this is the problem. Did you all understand the problem first? Now in such problems, what are we supposed to do is, the step number 1, what we write is, the given numbers are, first we will write whatever is given to us. Okay, one second. The first step for us is to write down whatever numbers we have. So the given numbers for us are, okay, the given numbers for us are 284 and then 698 and then 1618. Okay, so this is the first step that we are supposed to write. Now after this first step, the next step what we are supposed to do is, we have to remove this 8. Okay, this remainder 8, whatever is given to us, we have to remove that from all the three numbers that is available. Okay, so the next step what we are going to write is, the HCF of the numbers. Okay, HCF of the numbers. Now which are the numbers that we are supposed to do? First one will be 284 minus 8. Okay, why minus 8? Because there is a remainder. This remainder you are supposed to remove previously only. Next, what is the other number? 698 minus 8, which will give you 680. Let's write down that final answers also. And here how much do you get? 276. 276 we get. Then the last number, 1618 minus 8. How much do we get? 1618 minus 8? 1610. Yeah. Now, so the next step, the first step is for us to write these given numbers. And then the next step is we have to remove the remainder, that is 8, that is given in the question, from the 3 numbers that we were supposed to solve. Now, you have 276, 680 and 1610. Now find the HCF of all these 3 numbers. You can use division method or you can use factorization method and find out. Now for now we will be using factorization method. Okay, sorry. Yeah, 690, that is. Just got missed out. Okay, so that is 690. Now let us use prime factorization method and we will solve it. Okay, so firstly, we'll just erase all this so we get enough space to actually solve the problem. Okay, so let us start. So first is 276. Now how do you start 276? From which table? 2. Okay, 2 ones are, and then 2 threes are 6, 16, 2 eights are 16. Okay, then 2 6 are 12, 1 reminder 18, 2 nines are 18. Then 2 into 20, 2 twos are, sorry, 2 threes are 6. Oh, oops, I cannot go with 2. That is 69. So I have to take 3. 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Now 23 is a prime number. Any table do you get 23? No. So 23 ones are. 23 ones are. Next, 690. I think we can start with 3 also. 3 also will give us the answer. 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9 and 0. And then where do we go? To, if you take 3, we will not get the answer. I think we'll have to go by 2 only. We can go by 2. 2 ones are 10, 2 fives are 10. You get 115. And then now we will go with 5. 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. Again you get 23. So 23 ones are. Are you all able to follow? Next, 1618. We'll start with 2. 2 eights are 16. Now next I have 1. But I'm supposed to take 2 numbers. Next 2 numbers I'll take. So I'll add a 0 here. Then, oops, sorry, 1610, right? We are supposed to take 1610. Okay. So the next 2 numbers, if I take, it will be 5s are. 2 5s are 10. Next, again 2. Will it go with 2? Think properly. How it will go with 2? 2 4s are 8. Then you have 5 at the end. If you have 5 at the end, you cannot divide that by 2. We will take 5. We'll take 5. 5 ones are 5. And then you have 1 at the carryover. So 5 twos are 10. Okay, just wait a second. 5 twos are 10. And then we have 5 ones are 5 again. Correct? Oops, sorry. Something went wrong. Just wait a second. 5 ones are 5 ones are 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 3 carry. So 30. Yeah, you're right. 30, 3 when we carry 3. Now you will have 5, 6 are 30 and then 5 ones are 5. Sorry for that. Okay. Now 161 from which table will it go? 5? No, 5 it doesn't go. 161 will not go in 5. You get point. It will go in 7. Okay, 7 into 23. So 7. 7. What is wrong? Just a second. Something is wrong here. Okay. 7, 23. And then we have 23 ones are. Now, by just seeing this calculation, you will be able to identify the common numbers which are present, right? See, if you see 2 is present in every other number factorization, 23 is present, very good. 2 is also present. Now, can I say HCF is equal to 2 into 23? So how much do I get? 2 into 23. I get 46. Correct? I get 46. So the required number, okay, the required number which is greatest number. See, if you see here in the first line, it says greatest number, right? The required greatest number which can divide 284, 698 and 1618 is nothing but 46. This is the required greatest number. Okay. Now what they are saying is, when you divide 284 by 46, now calculate 284 by 46. You get some you get some points there. Excuse me. Yes. Now again, sorry, you're supposed to divide not 284 but 276. You have these numbers, right? If you see 276, I'll add another page. 276 by 46, how much do you get? 6. Then 690 by 46, how much do you get? Calculate. 15. And then 1610 by 46, how much do you get? 35. Yes. Now what we are trying to say here is, we have these 3 numbers without point. Okay, without point, which means there is no remainder. There is no remainder. Okay, but if you take the original numbers in the question, you will have some points, which means there is a remainder. So one thing what you have to understand is, when there is no remainder, which means the numbers are completely divisible. Okay, but when you have any point, let's say you have 6.82, which means there is a remainder and it is not completely divisible. Are you all able to understand? Are you all able to understand? Okay, good. Now we will complete this with the procedure there. Okay, so what was the factors for 276? We had 2 square into 3 into 23. Correct? Then 690 is 2 into 3 Is that what we got? No, 3 into 2 into 5 into 23. 3 into 2 into 5 into 23. Okay, and then for the last one, 1610 is equal to 2 into 5 into 7 into 23. So HCF is equal to 2 is common and the least power of 2 is 1. Excuse me. And then 3 is not common, right? 3 is not common. 5 is not common, 7 is not common, 23 is common. 23 to the power 1, which will give us 46. Therefore, the required number is 46. Now in statement problem, always write the final conclusion. That is how you will be able to say to the examiner or the evaluator, see, I have got the correct answer and this is what is the answer. Understood? Everybody understood? Anybody has doubts in the first problem? We will solve one more problem. Okay, we'll solve one more problem. I think that will make it much clear for you. Similar one, very similar one. Find the greatest number. See, for HCF, it is usually asked as greatest number. Okay, find the greatest number that divide 132 and 77, leaving remainder 2 in each case. Now, what do you think is the first step that we are supposed to do? What is the first step that we are supposed to do? Subtracting the number 2. No addition. You're not supposed to add anything. It's only subtraction. Yeah. So every question, first write what is the numbers given. Okay. The given numbers are 132 and 77. Okay. Now 132 minus 2, which is 130, and 77 minus 2, which is 75. Correct. HCF of 130 and 75. Okay, this will be my next step. I am supposed to find the HCF of 130 and 75. Now, first let us find the HCF of 130. 130. Already found out? Very good. Now 130, from which I should start? I can go with 2. 2 6 are 12. Yes. 2 6 are 12 and then 1 carried over. 2 5s are 2 5s are 10. And then we'll go with 5. 5 1s are 1 carry over. 5 3s are 15. and then we have 13. 13 ones are. And then which is the other number? 75, right? So we'll start with 5 directly. 5 ones are, 2 carry over, 5 fives are, 5 threes are, 3 ones are. So for 130, 2 into 5 into 13, and for 75 I have 5 into 5 into 3. So HCF is equal to 5 is common. Yeah, only 5 is common. Correct. So therefore the required number is 5. If you still want to check out, divide 130 by 5. You will get proper multiplication, proper division. 75 by 5, you will also get proper number, a whole number, and nothing with points. In that case, the required number is 5. So 5 is gonna divide. Okay, 5 is gonna divide 132 and 77, where it is gonna leave 2 as remainder in each case. Understood? Any doubts? We will solve one more problem. You people will try one more problem. Take down. Find the greatest number by which if 1657 and 2037 are divided to get a remainder. Okay, reminders 6 and 5 respectively. Can you give this a try? 1657 2037, but reminders are given separately. Okay, reminders are given separately, that is 6 and 5. So 1657, how do you do? First write down given. Okay, and then 1657 minus 6, because the remainder is 6, and then 2037 minus 5. See, it says respectively. Respectively means 1657 and then minus 6, 2037 minus 5. Now what is the answers you get here? 1657 minus 6 will give you 1651, and 2037 minus 5 will give you 2032. Now find the HCF of this. Find the HCF of this. Keep trying. Okay, please write the steps and then solve the problem. So here the HCF is 127 and the required number is 127. Clear? Any doubts? Then let's go to the next problem. Okay. Now next we firstly solved HCF, right? Now we will solve similar problems in LCM. Now in HCF, what did we do? We subtracted the reminders first and then we found out the HCF, correct? Now let us see how to solve them under LCM. Now in LCM, what is going to happen? How to identify it as LCM is, the question will say least number. Okay, you're supposed to find the least number which when divided by 6, 10, 15, 30 leaves no remainder. Okay, here they are saying leaves no remainder. No remainder means no need to subtract, add anything. So firstly what you're supposed to do is write down given numbers are 6, 10, 15 and 30. Okay. Now the next step, you are supposed to find the LCM of 6, 10, 15 and 30. Okay. 6, 10, 15 and 30. Now can you find the LCM and say me the answer quickly? Use division method and find the LCM. So we'll start with 2. 2 3s are, and then we have 2 5s are 10, 15 I can't do anything, then 2 15s are 30. Good. Many of them are giving answers already. Then I'll go with 5. 3 remains, 5 1s are, 5 3s are, 5 3s are. Then I'll go with 3. 3 1s are, 1 remains, 3 1s are, 3 1s are. So LCM is equal to 2 into 5 into 3. 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. Okay. So 30 is the required number. Required number is equal to 30. That's all is the answer. Now here the problem says leaves no remainder. Since it says no remainder, we are not adding or subtracting anything. We will just find LCM, and that LCM number will be the least number which will divide 6, 10, 15, 30 and then will not have any remainder. Understood? Did you all understand this problem? Okay, we will solve one more problem similarly, but here there is remainder of 2. Okay, so first step, given numbers are 18, 24, 56. Okay, now in LCM, we will first find the LCM and then I will teach you what is to be done with the remainder. Okay, so first given numbers are 18, 24, 56. So let us find out LCM of 18, 24 and 56. Okay, so 18, 24, 56. Can you solve this and say me the answer quickly? We'll start with 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then again 2 2s are 4, 16, 2 8s are 16. Then again I can go with 2, 9 will remain, 2 6 are 12, 2 14s are. Then I can go with 2 again, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. Then I'll go with 3, 3 3s are, 3 1s are, again with 3, and again with 7. Okay, so what is the LCM that I would get? LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. So how much I get? 504. Good. 504 is what I get as LCM. Now, what does the question say? The question says it leaves a remainder of 2. Correct? It leaves a remainder of 2. Now, what we are supposed to do is write down below that. Now, when 504, okay, when 504 is divided by 18, and then we had 24 and 56, we get no remainder. Correct? We don't get any remainder because it is properly divisible. So therefore what do we do? If the number, okay, if the number 504 is increased by 2, it will leave remainder 2. Okay, so the required number